used to decide the distribution of research. And equity principle is the most common distributive justice rule in organizational settings. And if we apply an equity principle when we believe that everyone in the group should receive the same outcomes, and then those with greatest needs should receive more outcomes than others with less need. Okay, and people should be paid in proportion to their contribution, right? And elements of equity theory is outcome or input ratio. Inputs, what employee contributes, for example, is skill, and then outcomes, what employee receives, for example, is pay. And comparison order, person or people against whom we compare our ratio. Okay, not easily identifiable, right? So next, equity evaluation, compare outcome or input ratio with the comparison order, and over reward versus under reward inequity, and correcting inequity feelings, and now equity sensitivity, benevolence, it means tolerant of being under rewarded, yes, and equity sensitive want ratio to be equal to comparison order, and attitudes is preferring proportionately more than others. Okay. Next is procedural justice, that is structural rules and then social rules. So now structural rules is voice, bias-free, knowledgeable, consistent, listen to all, and available. And social rules is mean respect and accountability. And meaning of money in the workplace, right? So we know that money has multiple meanings, right? It's for symbol of success, reinforcer and motivator, a source of reduced anxiety. Okay, and then meaning of money varies: higher value to men than to women, and then cross-cultural differences. Okay. Types of rewards in the workplace is membership and seniority, job status, competencies, performance-based.
Next, we will proceed to meaning of the money in the workplace. Money can be defined with multiple meaning in many ways. First, money can be defined with a symbol of the success for a certain person, or we call as employee or employer. If the employee or employer put a certain amount in money to be received, it as their goal, and if employee or the employer achieve it, it can call as successful in the achieving a goals. Money also making someone feel financially stable and can fulfill their desire. It also can be interested in their welfare and willing to protect the interest. For example, employer reward of someone or employee with money bonus if their performance is increased or their success in doing the task or job. Next, money also can be defined as reinforcer and motivator. With money, someone's desire can be fulfilling is the essence of ultimate satisfaction, needs, and security. Key to human motivations and perform, because having money is one of the methods to perform in the workplace without worry or overthinking with life that related with money. A worker working without any sign of interest will looking demotivated, but if have money, or we call as wages or salary, it will be motivated, and it also can increase the performance of the job. Salary pay will motivate employee to work very hard. The last point in money meaning is it can be defined as source of reduced anxiety. We need money to support increases such as reduces illness. Money also can be effect to the anxiety and depressions. If have a stable financial earn enough money, it can be prevent to anxiety and depression.